Okay.
Here are the famous singers of Norwegian Cruise Line, and they know SB19.
SB19.
18 of Hawaii.
From Jade.
What's your favorite?
Estelle.
Me too.
Estelle.
Estelle and Pablo.
I'm Pablo.
Actually, all of them.
All of them.
And Justin is cute.
Yes, very special.
Ken, very sexy.
Yeah. And what's your name?
I'm Paul.
I'm Galvin.
I'm Jeanette. And they're
Very
from
talented.
All the way
Norwegian
from the Philippines. We're in Norwegian Jade.
J.
And we are the
Norwegian
Coffee
Jade
Coffee
Coffee
Coffee Trio.
The
Okay.
next SB19.
Thank you.
Thank